Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge gadgets and technology. Today, we're excited to present the Akaso Brave 4 Pro Best Action Camera. If you're an adventure enthusiast or simply looking for a top-notch action camera, you're in for a treat. Join us as we explore the remarkable features and capabilities of the Akaso Brave 4 Pro, a true game-changer in the world of action photography. Let's jump right into our review of the Akaso Brave 4 Pro, an action camera that has taken the market by storm. With its impressive features and performance, it's no wonder why it's considered one of the best action cameras available. The Akaso Brave 4 Pro boasts a range of features that set it apart from the competition. High-quality 4K video. Capture your adventures in stunning 4K resolution, ensuring every detail is preserved for a lifelike viewing experience. Advanced stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky footage. The Brave 4 Pro's advanced stabilization technology keeps your video smooth and steady, even in the most action-packed scenarios. Waterproof design. Dive into the action with confidence. The Brave 4 Pro is waterproof up to 131 feet, 40 meters, making it ideal for underwater adventures and water sports. Touchscreen display. Easily navigate through settings and preview your shots with the intuitive touchscreen display, adding convenience to your filming experience. Wide-angle lens. The wide-angle lens captures more of the scene, ensuring you don't miss a moment of the action. Multiple shooting modes. From time-lapse and burst mode to slow motion and loop recording, the Brave 4 Pro offers a variety of shooting options to suit your creative needs. Built-in Wi-Fi. Share your epic moments instantly by connecting the camera to your smartphone via built-in Wi-Fi. Remote control compatibility. Control the camera remotely using the included wrist remote, allowing you to capture shots from unique angles. Long battery life. With its long-lasting battery, the Brave 4 Pro ensures you won't miss out on capturing all the excitement. What makes the Akaso Brave 4 Pro stand out as the best action camera? Its combination of impressive features, durability, and affordability make it a clear winner in its category. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a sports enthusiast, or a vlogger on the go, the Brave 4 Pro is designed to capture your experiences in breathtaking detail. In conclusion, the Akaso Brave 4 Pro is undoubtedly the best action camera you can get your hands on. With its 4K video capabilities, advanced stabilization, and versatile shooting modes, it's a must-have for anyone seeking to document their adventures with high-quality footage. Thank you for joining us in this review of the Akaso Brave 4 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with fellow adventurers who are in search of the ultimate action camera. Until next time, keep exploring and capturing those unforgettable moments.